Mixed thoughts today from campus on the court case that could change the way schools look when it comes to its student body.
I think it's important for every student to have equal opportunity to go to a school like this, because without systems put in place to promote diversity, everybody here would look the same.
I think it's a reality. It's the case. Maybe even necessary. You know, things are rather unequal, so you have to equalize them somehow. Hopefully in the future it won't be necessary.
Not everyone, though, believes affirmative action should play a role in university admissions or government hiring.
I think at one place in our history it was a positive thing, but I really think we have lost the focus of merit. Skin color, who you sleep with, what religion you follow should have absolutely nothing to do with what jobs or what schools you get accepted into.
But now it appears that public institutions will be able to give preferential treatment in admissions and hiring based on race, sex, and other factors.
I think that there are a lot of discrepancies, socioeconomic, racial factors, which can often result in discrepancies in terms of opportunities.
The case originally stemmed from a lawsuit filed against the University of Michigan, which said today, quote, "The university is reviewing the possible implications of the court's decision and recognizes that there may be further legal steps as well," end quote. Indeed, the ruling could end up at the Supreme Court. From Ann Arbor, Michael Rosenfield, Channel 7 Action News.